Hello, Abuti. Hello, Ausi.
Dumela ausi.
Dumela Abuti.
Dumelang bana.
What are we learning today?
Mosetsana yo mobotse.
Oh, we're learning how to use beautiful in Sepedi to describe some people. Let's learn some new words first. The word for girl is mosetsana. The word for boy is moshimane. The word for woman is mosadi. And the word for man is monna. So, Abuti, how do we say beautiful girl in Sepedi?
Mosetsana yo mobotse.
Mosetsana yo mobotse.
Okay, stop for a second. Let me explain. When we say mosetsana yo mobotse, the yo means that is. Botse means beautiful. But we add the mo, so it becomes mo botse. So we're actually saying girl that is beautiful. So how would we say beautiful man in Sepedi?
Mona yo mobotse.
Monna yo mobotse.
Very good. And how would we say beautiful boy in Sepedi?
Moshimane yo mobotse.
Moshimane yo mobotse.
Now let's see how Abuti says beautiful woman.
Mosadi yo mobotse.
Mosadi yo mobotse.
And now you can use beautiful to describe a person. Goodbye, Abuti.
Shalakhabotse.